Hi students, fifth chapter, two-dimensional analytical geometry, exercise 5.1. First we are going to see the equation of the circle in standard form. Equation of the circle in standard form. Already you know the circle equation, x square plus y square equal to r square. Circle with the center 0, 0, radius r. In this circle, center 0, 0 and radius r. Of the circle with the center h comma k and radius r. Okay, so standard form of the equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. In the circle center h comma k, radius r. Okay, the general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This one is a general form of the circle. Now, some characteristic given. It is a second degree equation in x and y. Second degree equation x squared y squared. This one is a second degree equation. And second point, coefficient of x squared equal to coefficient of y squared not equal to 0. Coefficient of x squared, so 1. Coefficient of y squared also 1. The two coefficients are equal and also not equal to 0. Okay, the coefficient of xy equal to 0, that means no xy term. Suppose xy term means this one is a pair of straight line equation, already you studied in +1. Okay, circle equation no xy term means this one is a circle equation. Understand or not? Now in this circle center minus g comma minus f, minus g comma minus f, radius root of g squared plus f squared minus c, root of g squared plus f squared minus c. Okay, now another formula, the equation of the circle with x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 as extremities of one of the diameters of the circle is x minus x1 x minus x2 plus y minus y1 y minus y2. That means two end points of the diameter given. Okay, x1 y1 x2 y2 given means the equation of the circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. Okay, so it's a circle equation. And another one theorem, the position of the point P of x1 comma y1 with respect to a given circle equation in the plane containing the circle is outside or on or inside the circle according as circle equation. Substitute x1 comma y1 in the circle equation is greater than 0 means the point outside the circle, equal to 0 means the point is on the circle, less than 0 means the point lies inside the circle. Okay, now next we are going to see the equation of tangent and normal at the point P on the circle. Equation of the tangent and normal we want to find. Okay, already you have studied in +1. Normal means replace x equal to x squared equal to xx1. Replace x squared equal to xx1, y squared equal to yy1, x equal to x plus x1 by 2, y equal to y plus y1 by 2. Okay, x square replace x square xx1, y square yy1, x plus x1 by 2, y plus y1 by 2. Suppose I will take the circle equation y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This one is the circle equation. We want to the tangent equation. Tangent equation means substitute x squared equal to xx1 plus y square yy1 plus 2g x equal to x plus x1 by 2 plus 2f y plus y1 by 2 plus c equal to 0. Okay, now 2 cancel. We get xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Okay, this one is the equation of the tangent. Listen, equation of the tangent at x1 comma y1 as xx1 yy1 plus gx plus x1 plus fy plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Okay, now equation of the normal is yx1 plus xy1. Normal means change the coefficient and change the sign. Change the coefficient yx1 minus xy1 here plus g y minus y1. This one is in this place minus f x minus x1 equal to 0. Okay, now change the coefficient yx1 xy1 and change the sign. Here also interchange g y minus y1 minus f x minus x1 equal to 0. See that one, yx1 minus xy1 plus g into y minus y1 minus f into x minus x1 equal to 0. This one is a normal equation. Okay, now remark given, the equation of the tangent is at x1 comma y1 to the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. Tangent means x square, substitute x1 y square plus y1 equal to a square. Okay, equation of the normal to the circle is, see that one, interchange the coefficient xy1 minus yx1 equal to the constant equal to 0. Okay, the normal passes through the center of the circle. See that one diagram. Now circle, this one is a tangent. Okay, this one is a tangent. The tangent perpendicular line is a normal. Okay, and the normal is passes through the center of the circle. Okay, normally the normal passes through the center of the circle. And the next one important condition for the line y equal to mx plus c to be a tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to a square and finding the point of contact. Okay, on circle equation, this line y equal to mx plus c, this one is a tangent to the circle. We want to find condition for the line to be a tangent to the circle and also find the point of contact. See that one, the condition for the line y equal to mx plus c to be a tangent to the circle is c squared equal to a squared into 1 plus m squared. C squared equal to a squared into 1 plus m squared. The point of contact is am by root of 1 plus m square comma minus a by root of 1 plus m square. am by root of 1 plus m square comma minus a by root of 1 plus m square. This one is the point of contact. Now the equation of the tangent, another tangent equation, y equal to mx plus or minus a root of 1 plus m square. What is the value? C square. Condition c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. What is c? C equal to plus or minus a root of 1 plus m square. Okay, the line equation y equal to mx plus c. Now this one is a tangent. We want to find the tangent. This line is a tangent. Change into tangent equation, that is y equal to mx plus or minus c equal to what's the value? A root of 1 plus m square. A root of 1 plus m square. This one is another tangent equation. Understand or not? Okay, already one tangent equation xx1 plus yy1 equal to a square. This one is a tangent equation. This one is another tangent equation, y equal to mx plus or minus a root of 1 plus m square. Tangent equation. Okay, from any point outside to the circle x square plus y square equal to a square, two tangent can be drawn. Now circle P be a outside point. Now we can draw two tangents. Okay, two tangents can be drawn. Okay, already you have studied in 10th standard practical geometry. Okay, now exercise 5.1, obtain the equation of the circle with a radius 5 centimeter and touching x-axis at the origin in general form. See that one? Circle touching x-axis at the origin. We can draw two circles. Okay, x-axis touching x-axis at the origin. At the origin means we can draw two circles. Okay, now given radius equal to 5 centimeter. Radius 5 centimeters means this point is 0, 5. Okay, y-axis point 0, 5. In this side 0, minus 5. 0, minus 5. Upper center 0, plus or minus 5. 0, plus or minus 5. Center I will take h, k. The equation of the circle standard form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. X minus h equal to 0 plus y k equal to plus or minus 5 whole square equal to 5 square. Now simplify x square. Here a plus b whole square formula. Okay, plus formula minus formula also. Then y square plus 2ab minus 2ab. Then 2 into 5 into y. 2 into 5 into y means plus or minus 10y. 5 square 25 equal to 25. Minus 20, plus 25 equal to 25, go to that side, minus 25, cancel. X square plus y square plus or minus 10y equal to 0. Get the answer, general form of the circle equation. Okay, next find the equation of the circle with the center 2, minus 1 and passing through the point 3, 6 in standard form. Center given and passing through the point. That means the point is on the circle. Okay, now the distance between these two equal to, we get radius. See that one? Draw the one circle, center 2, minus 1. Approximately draw the diagram 2, minus 1. Okay, center, and this one is a 3, 6 point. Draw one circle. Okay, now the distance between center and on the point is radius. Distance between the point and the center radius. R equal to, find the distance formula. Okay, distance formula 3 minus 2 whole square plus 6, already here minus 1, then plus 1 whole square. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Already you know the formula. Okay, now 3 minus 2 whole square plus 6 minus 1, then formula minus plus 1 whole square. Okay, but 3 minus 2, 1 square, here 7 square. 1 plus 49 equal to root 50, or equal to root 50. The equation of the circle is, see that one, center you know, okay, and the radius also you know, means we can write the center circle equation. Equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Up x minus h equal to 2 whole square plus y, already here minus 1, then plus 1 whole square equal to root 50 square. X minus 2 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equal to root and square cancel, that is equal to 50. Get the answer given in standard form. Okay, then up to write this. Okay, now third one, find the equation of the circles that touch both the axes and passing through minus 4, minus 2 in general form. Okay, in general form. See that one? This point is minus 4, minus 2. Minus 4, minus 2. The point is minus 4, minus 2. Given the circles that touch both the axes. touch both the axes. Now draw one circle, touch both the axes. Okay. Since the circle touch both the axes, the equation of the circle is, see that one, this distance and this distance are equal. This one is a radius. Okay, here also radius. I will take a, radius equal to a, but this point is a comma a. See that one, this one is a radius, and here also the same radius. I will take radius equal to a, but the point is a comma a. அப்போ center h comma k equal to a, radius also a. அப்போ the equation of the circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus a whole square equal to a square. இப்போ center a comma a, radius a. It passes through one point given minus 4 comma minus 2 given. Okay, now in the circle equation, minus 4, x equal to minus 4, y equal to minus 2 substitute. Minus 4 minus a whole square plus minus 2 minus a whole square equal to a square. Now 2 minus means plus formula, a plus b formula, already you know. Okay, 4 square 16, 2 into 4 into a, 8a square, plus here also 2 minus, then plus formula, 2 squared 4, 2 into 2 into a, 4a plus a square, this is equal to a square, go to that side, minus a square cancel. Okay, now arrange the terms. A square, 8a plus 4a, 12a, 16 plus 4, 20 equal to 0. Okay, we can factorize 10, 20, 12, 10 2s are. Okay, but a plus 10, a plus 2 equal to 0. But a equal to minus 10, a equal to minus 2. A equal to minus 10, substitute in this equation. A equal to minus 10, substitute in this equation, we get one circle equation. By x minus 10 means here also minus, plus 10 whole square, y plus 10 whole square equal to minus 10 whole square equal to 100. Now simplify, x plus 10 whole square, x square 2ab, 2 into 10 into x, 20x, 10 square 100, y square 2 into 10 into y, 20y, 10 square 100 equal to 100, go to that side, minus 100, cancel. X square plus y square, x term 20x plus 20y plus 100 equal to 0. Okay, this one is one equation. And next a equal to minus 2, substitute a equal to minus 2 in this equation. Okay, now see that one, case 2, a equal to minus 2 by x plus 2 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square equal to 2 squared 4. Now a plus b whole square, x square 2 into 2 into x, 4x plus 4 plus y square plus 4y plus 4 equal to 4, go to that side, minus 4, cancel. X squared plus y squared, x term 4x plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. We get the answer. Okay, next fourth sum, find the equation of the circle with the center 2, 3 and passing through the intersection of the lines. Center given, passing through the point directly not given, the intersection of two lines. Solving these two equation, we get one point. That point is passing through the point. Okay, now similarly second sum method. Okay, center 2, 3, the line equation, two line equations given. Two line equations given. Solving elimination method, already you know. 3x minus 2y equal to 1. This equation multiplied by 2. Okay, multiplied by 2, cancel. 3x plus 8x, 11x, 1 plus 54, 55. X equal to 55 by 11 equal to 5. X equal to 5 in first equation. But 3 into 5 minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. 15 minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. 14. 15 minus 1, 14 minus 2y equal to 0. Plus 14, go to that side, minus 14, minus minus cancel, divided by 2, 7, y equal to 7. But the circle passing through the point 5, 7. 5, 7. Okay, center 2, 3 given. Center and passing through the point no means we get radius using distance formula. Root of 5 minus 2 whole square plus 7 minus 3 whole square. 3 square plus 4 square, 9 plus 16 equal to root 25 value 5, radius equal to 5. Now center 2 comma 3, this one is h comma k. Okay, now formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r squared. By x minus what is h 2 square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to radius 5 square. A minus b whole square formula x square minus 2ab minus 2 into x minus 4x 2 square 4 plus y square, here also minus 2 into y 3 into y, that is minus 6y plus 9 5 square 25. Okay, by x squared y squared x term minus 4x, here minus 6y 4 plus 9 13 plus 25 go to that side minus 25, simplify we get minus 12. X squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. We get the answer. Okay, next fifth sum. Obtain the equation of the circle for which 3, 4 and 2, minus 7 are the ends of the diameter. Already you know the formula. Ends of the diameter given means the formula is x minus x1, x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2 equal to 0. Extremities of the diameter given. I will take this one is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, substitute x minus 3, x minus 2, y minus 4, y plus 7. Here minus, then plus 7. Just to multiply. Algebraic method, x squared minus 2x. Okay, minus 2 into x minus 2x minus 3x. Here minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. Y squared plus 7y minus 4y. Here minus 28 equal to 0. Arrange the term x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 3x minus 5x 7y minus 4y plus 3y 6 minus 28, that is a minus 22 equal to 0. We get the answer. Okay.